Isa ito sa pinaka gusto kong gawin noon pa man. So, enable for me to reciprocate the love that I received from my second home. So, I did these things. But, before, hindi ko kasi alam kung paano mag-umpisa. Not until someone open about this matter. So, I find time to take all the details on how to start, how to go here. Because I have no idea. So before anything else, before I started to donate a blood, I talked to my friend and
450
he
is
gave
like
me
half
all the
gallon.
details. But at first, I was like feeling nervous because syempre, tusok kaya yun, no? Pero sobrang curious ako at willing naman talaga ako mag-donate. So, pumunta ako dito. Dito pala ito guys sa may blood bank. Tapos, mag-register lang kayo sa may reception. They will take all the details from you, your Emirates ID. Tapos, magba-vital check na kayo. Yung weight, blood pressure, height, everything. Tapos, if you are okay, may tatanungin lang silang few details about kung may mga recent surgery ba kayo, may mga allergic, skin allergy, ganon. Tapos, ako wala naman, so I proceed on the next step.
I thought for me.
On this day, grabe ang napakahabaan ng pila. Kaso nga lang, purong lalaki. Tapos sa female section, parang 5 lang ata kami. Tapos parang 3 lang Pilipina. Tapos yung 2 naman, ibang lahi sila. Grabe ang laki ng kwan. Ang laki ng injection. Pero akala ko kasi nung una masakit siya. Pero hindi naman. Yakang-yaka lang siya. Tapos, this is my first time guys. But I'm totally happy. And I feel blessed because, you know na, donate blood and help to save lives. It took only 10 to 15 minutes para makakuha siya ng 500cc. So, I am done. See? Thank you, Lord. Bing grande ka talaguha, pero carry lang. Kaya gani na tattoo silang. So, kundi kabaya. No yanay kumikomanda libanta kay baka mambuyong daw iyo or man kusaste baka desma daw may na ora. So, hindi okay lang naman iyo, normal lang. Pero akil chene sila akita dali kumida tamen after man donate el blood. Kabar. Después, habla sila contigo ang mga do's and don'ts for 2 days. So, ya kabaya. And time for me to go home. Thank you, Lord.